How to find options with high theta. Are you curious about how to find options that have high theta? Understanding theta can really help you in options trading. Theta measures how much an option's value decreases as it gets closer to its expiration date. This is often referred to as time decay. So, how do you find those options that are losing value quickly? Let's break it down. First, consider the time to expiration. Options that are nearing their expiration date will have a higher theta. This is because the value of time erodes faster as the expiration date approaches. In fact, the rate of decay speeds up significantly in the last few weeks or even days before expiration. Next, look at the moneyness of the option. At the money options, which are those with strike prices close to the current price of the underlying stock, generally have the highest theta. This is due to their greater extrinsic value, which decreases as time passes. In contrast, deep into money or out of the money options have lower theta since they carry less extrinsic value. Another factor to consider is the option type and strike price. Options with strike prices that are near the current price of the underlying stock tend to exhibit higher theta. This applies to both call options and put options. Volatility also plays a role, although it primarily affects option prices rather than theta directly. Higher implied volatility can increase option premiums, but theta remains focused on time decay. Interest rates and dividends can have minor effects as well. To assess if theta is high, look at theta as a percentage of the option's premium. For example, if an option is priced at $2 and has a theta of negative 0.05, it loses to 0.5% of its value each day due to time decay. This can be considered relatively high. Now let's get practical. To find options with high theta, focus on the money options that have near-term expirations, usually within 30 days or less. These options tend to have the highest theta values. Utilize option chains and trading platforms that display the Greek values, including theta. This will allow you to compare options across different strikes and expiration dates easily. If you are looking to benefit from high theta, consider selling options or option spreads. Strategies like short calls, short puts, credit spreads, or iron condors can work in your favor since theta decay benefits sellers. In summary, options with high theta are typically at the money and close to expiration. By examining option Greeks on trading platforms and focusing on near-term expirations, you can identify these options effectively. Understanding theta helps you manage the impact of time decay on your trading positions.